Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today, we're going to be checking out this nail fungus laser device, and this was sent to us by the manufacturer for us to check out. Alright, so we'll go ahead and open this up and I'll show you everything that you get inside of it. You got your instructions in here, a little certificate, and then you have the actual device right there. And it does come with a charging cable as well. I haven't used the charging cable yet. I've only used this once just to try it out. The therapy on this takes about 3 months is what they say. I do have some damaged nails, so I'm going to try this out. Hopefully be able to remember to do it every single day, at least once for the next 3 months, and then we'll come back and see how it looks after that. But it is big enough to fit even on your big toe. That is what I did use it on. That's my feet, my toenails are the ones that are having some big issues, so that's what I tried this on. It's really simple, easy to use. You just push your button right here and then it will turn on. There you go. And then it has some really bright lights inside of there. It has 3 different colors of lights inside there. It has an infrared light, a red light, and a blue light. And then really easy to charge. You just take this here. It is a special type of charger, so it's not just like a standard USB-C or anything. And then you're going to slip it inside here and then charge it. It says it takes about 70 minutes to completely charge this. I did use this for 1 complete session, which is 10 minutes. And as you can see, it is still working, so no issues in regards to it continuing to work after you do use it. Whenever it is done with a 10-minute session, it does make a beep sound, and then it turns off, and then you can also turn it off by pushing the button. Produces a little bit of heat when it's on your foot or fingers, on your nails, wherever you want to put it on your hand, but nothing uncomfortable or anything like that. So overall, I hope it works. Like I said, I'm going to give it a chance to do its thing over the next 3 months, and then I'll be back with you all for an update on the review of this item here. Once again, this is a nail fungus laser device, and it was sent to us by the manufacturer for us to check out today.